Morning everyone, welcome back to our channel Democratic Technocrat. So today we are going to look into the topic that is JavaScript promises. So okay, shall we go ahead and start? Yeah, here is the snippet where I have created a promise and I have used that promise in this function. So once again I'm going to write the code again and you can understand easily. We will create another file for JavaScript. So first we are going to create a function. Its name will be use promise. This function will going to create a promise and return it. Okay, so we are going to return a promise. So the constructor for creating the promise is new promise. Okay, so the promise constructor is taking one callback function. This is how the callback function is given, and this type of callback function that which are not with any name, these are called anonymous callback functions. So this function will going to take two parameters. First one is resolve and reject. So we are going to see what the resolve and reject is. So for the sake of the promise, we are going to generate a random number using the mathematical function, that is math.random, and then we will check whether that number is even or odd, and if it is even, we are going to resolve the promise as even. If it is odd, reject the promise. Okay, so the first step is writing if condition. Okay, so we are going to use math dot random. Okay, this math dot random function is going to give us a number which is between 0 and 1. So if we divide a number between 0 and 1 by divided by 2, the remainder will be always less than 1, and we are not going to get a good kind of result. So what we do is we will multiply that random number by 10. So we are going to get a round number, a proper number. This is also not fully capable. So what we are going to do is we will envelope this inside another function, that is math dot round. So what this math dot round will do is it will return a round number from a decimal number. So the next is modulus of 2. So what this will do is it will return the remainder of the number divided by 2. This percentage symbol will do that. We will check whether that number is equal to 0. If this condition is true, then we can know that the number is even. So what we are going to do is resolve even, right? Even, or else. We are not going to write else because return or resolve is the default. So what we do is reject odd. So the logic behind this is if the number is not even, it is obviously will be odd. So there are two cases only with the number 0 we don't know whether it is even or odd. So the math dot random number will always give number greater than 0. So we are not taking that case into our hands. So Right now we are only left with even or odd. Okay, we will continue with this. We are going to write another function const, that is its name will be use promise. Okay, so this function is also without parameter. What this function will do is it will call the use promise function. So we will call that use promise. The main motive behind the promise, creating the promise, is we have to be enabled of using the then and catch. The then and catch we're going to see later what it is actually mean. So we are just going to use it now. Then then function is also going to take a callback function. The callback function will be given an parameter, that is the result. So we will use res for the result, abbreviated as. We are going to print it, the result, and then we are going to use catch. Catch will also take a callback function. The parameter that is given to catch is error. We are going to print error. Yeah, this is complete. So what we are going to do, we are going to call this function call promise. So this is all. We are going to open this JavaScript file in terminal like this. We are going to execute this JavaScript code using node space promise test.js. Line number 12, there is a problem. So we have forgot console.log. We are going to clear the terminal and execute again. So this is even, this is odd, this is even, this is even, this is odd, this is even, this is even, this is odd, this is odd. Yeah, so this is how it will work. The continuation of this explanation will be in the another video. Thank you for everyone for watching this. Please do share and subscribe this video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.